Hello, we are very excited to have you presenting for our Hands-on Ideas webcast series. Through this presentation, you will be able to meet, collaborate with, and inspire people around the globe with our diverse audience of innovators, creatives, hackers, tinkerers, activists, and interdisciplinary collaborators, to name a few. In order to make sure that your presentation is a success, let us walk you through the guidelines and process for making and presenting your hands-on ideas talk. Our Hands-on Ideas webcasts are an hour long. 40 minutes of this hour should be your presentation, and 20 minutes should be your Q&A with our live audience. In the first 2 or 3 minutes, Dan will introduce you to the audience. Then you will begin with your content. The Hands-on Ideas talks should hit on 5 major points. First, a brief explanation of your background, followed by what inspired your project, how you went about doing it, a reflection of what you have learned, what is next for you, and finally, how others can build onto what you have done. The presentation will be recorded and posted in its entirety on our exclusive member content page, while a 2-minute sampling of your talk will be posted on our public YouTube account. You will be presenting to a general audience, so please avoid jargon to make your talk accessible. Our audience is very curious and enjoys hands-on experiences, so many of them may be interested to learn how they can apply what you're doing in their own endeavors. For your slides, remember that less is more. Stick to simple, clean slides and readable text. By using interesting graphics or a line of text, you'll help participants process what you're saying while making a bigger impact. Please make sure that you read and abide to the terms and conditions in the Agreement to Disrupt document. You are the owner of your presentation, and you should make sure that the content of your presentation is yours to use. Sell pitches are like pop-up ads and can be a huge turnoff to our audience, preventing you from being recognized as a thought leader on your topic. Keep your talk informative and insightful. In order to make sure all details are ironed out and that you are ready for your presentation, the Openly Disruptive team will check in on your progress and continue to help prepare you for the webcast. 1 month beforehand, we will have an interview with you to make sure we are all on the same page and the presentation is heading in the right direction. Afterward, one of our team members will arrange an interview with you about your presentation in order to make a write-up about the event. Before distributing this write-up, we will send you a copy to inquire about any comments or changes you may have. 10 to 14 days out, we will walk you through a rehearsal webcast to get you familiar with the feel of the presentation and to make sure everything is working. If needed, we will have a final rehearsal 2 days before the webcast. In order to facilitate the presentation, we recommend using Google Chat to call into the presentation center. This will allow you to use a microphone that you are most comfortable with while providing the best sound possible. Once again, thank you for participating in our Hands-on Ideas webcast. We look forward to working with you to promote your ideas to a larger audience.